Remember, if you like this video, don't forget to press the subscribe button and press the notification bell so you will be alerted to when I have new videos. Welcome to another episode of Mach Fishing. In this episode, I'd go hunting for some Speckle Sea Trout in the Elizabeth River. I would launch at a well-known place that's no secret. It's called the Elizabeth River Park. You can Google that. I'll also include it in the descriptions below. And I heard there was rumors that the trout were biting pretty good as compared to some of the other locations I go to. So I decided to give it a try. I was visiting family members who only lived an hour and 15 minutes from the launch at the park. So I took advantage of that to take off there on Friday morning. The temperature would be in the 30s when I left in the morning, but soon climbed into the upper 40s by the time I got ready to launch. While I was there fishing, the winds would be around 7 miles an hour and gusts to 10 miles an hour. It would come in waves. The tide would be high when I got there, but it was quickly running out when I launched at 9. As soon as I launched, I immediately turned left and went up the river, past the railroad tracks. There was a lot of grassy shorelines there, where I thought there may be trout.
Is that another keeper? Oh, that little one. Got hooked on the side. Well, I launched at 9 o'clock, later than expected. I got the, outgoing tide, and it was actually going in the right direction for me, so it wasn't a hard paddle. A lot of industrial ships around. Didn't like that too much. A lot of current. Once I got to the grassy areas, there wasn't that much current to worry about. I tried getting some fish, didn't get anything for a while, no hits. I almost thought about calling it quits, and then I tried one area and I saw some fish marked deep, so I just let my line drag across the bottom as I just slowly drifted past, and bam, I got 3 fish in a row. I had double hitters at one point. So I'm going to try to do it again. If I get 2 more fish, I just limit it out. I have 3 right now. Water temperature is 58.3 degrees, and the air temperature is in the 50s. So right now I'm in a nice calm area. Pull these lines in, because I want to put the fish on ice. Sorry I didn't get pictures of that. I didn't expect to catch anything. Let me take pictures of these guys real quick. Throw this line out just in case something decides to bite it.
The Speckle Sea Trout is also known as the spotted sea trout. The large sea trout are also called gators. Just for your information.
Oh, just got another hit. I just put some Procure mullet on it and jigged a bunch of times with a 1/2 ounce jig head and opening night 5-inch bait, and it's another trout. Okay. Anything on the other line yet? Oh, come on. There we go. This is how industrial this place looks. It's about midday, and I'm heading back in. 11:57 actually. Sorry I didn't get more action shots, but I really didn't think I was gonna catch anything there for a while, so I didn't have my camera running. So I'll see if I can get one more hit somewhere along the way. I tried a few other spots on the way back, but I didn't get any real hits. I got a couple of nibbles, but nothing much to make me stay. There it is. There's that thing. Not going over there. My best bait setup for this trip was a 5-inch opening night by Z-Man. It was a diesel minnow paddle tail and a 3/8 to half ounce jig head with a red eye. Alright, I'm approaching the boat ramp. There's some boats already over there, so I'll probably have to wait. I wish they had a little beach lodge so I can put the kayak up to shore without having to impede any of the motors, but it is what it is. Just gotta wait each other's turn. I was out on the water from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. and I was able to limit out with 5 Speckle Sea Trout. All my keeper fish were caught within a 45-minute period. I made it back to shore and I cleaned my fish before taking them home. Then I would vacuum seal them so I can use them at a later date. This may not be my last video, but it will be my last fishing trip for the year. So I'll see you on the water next year. Thanks for coming along. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching, and until next time, be sure to check out my other videos.